Hello everyone, this is Jim Pope with Worldwide Auctioneers right here in Auburn, Indiana, the classic car capital of the world. And we've got a big treat for you. It's a 1969 Yenko in the Registry Camaro. When we take a look at all the awards that this car has won, it's just simply amazing. Senior award winner, first place, Michigan Nationals, first place, senior award winner. It's just incredible, all the paperwork. Make sure you go online, check out this car. It's really a unique opportunity to have one of the best and finest in the world. I'm going to go over some engine specs with you in a minute. It also has the MacNeish certification that confirms and verifies that it was truly in the Yenko registry and born with a 427 engine. So let's take a closer look at the car. Again, I strongly suggest you take time and you look. This has been frame off restored. Obviously it's a subframe car, so it's just rotisserie restored. It only has test miles since the restoration. This car is so unique. Born a 427, 4-speed Rock Crusher transmission, 12-bolt rear end, power brakes, power disc front. The ZL1 is so unique in that it has aluminum head and aluminum block, which made it lighter at the racetrack. You actually ordered through Chevrolet. Don Yenko and Fred Gibb discovered a way to order it through COPO and get these cars pretty much equipped as a race car at the time. If we take a look on the inside, we're going to open and show you the door jambs. We're going to show you the trunk, underneath, everything. It's all new. New carpet, new seats. Again, that famous M22 Rock Crusher transmission with the 12-bolt. If you've ever had a collection of Chevrolets and you're looking for a centerpiece to make this one of the corner Camaros in your collection, there's nothing better than a true COPO in the registry with all the awards and the documentation that we have for this particular car to make it absolutely the centerpiece of your Chevrolet or your Camaro collection. I'll see you in Auburn, Labor Day weekend.